Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. In my last tutorials I have explained how to draw this section plan. Now in this tutorials we have to draw this. We will continue the remaining things. So this headroom we are already drawn, and the next will be your we have to draw this staircase. So for a staircase we have to take the projection for this staircase. So simply type Excel V for vertical, and you can project this projection for this staircase now. Okay, so this is your projection. Now what you will do, you have to check this here, the trade and razor. Razor will be 1.0.156 and trade is 0.3, so 0.156. From here you can take the another color. I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this color. Okay, simply you can draw with the line. So take L for line command 0.156, and you can draw like this. Okay, now what you will do, simply copy this, type CO, copy these two lines, and you can copy from here, from this point, and simply paste it. Okay, simply you can paste. So this is your staircase, how you can draw the staircase. Very good. Now you can simply extend this line up to here. Okay, and now take one line from here to here, from this point, or you can take one line from this point to this point. Okay, and then you can move it, simply move to take offset 0.10. okay, simply offset this line 0.10. Now you can select this and erase it. Next you can extend this up to here. Okay, now you can draw like this. Simply draw like this. Okay, or what you will do, simply take this, extend up to here, take one line from here up to here, this point. Here double enter just to trim this extra line. Very good. Now you can draw the thickness for this landing as well. So first here double enter just to trim this line, and from here you can go up to here. Okay, so this is your landing thickness, and you can take here the beam. So take one line, move this down 0.10 or 0.18 you can move. Okay, and you can move this down 0.18. Okay, now you have to simply draw this line from here to here. There you go. So this is your landing. The next is, you can see this is your this staircase you have to continue. So what you will do, you have to continue from here. This razor will be 0.156, and this side you can join this up to here. Now you have to copy these two line, simply copy and paste. Okay, so this is how we are drawing this staircase. Very good. Now simply join this staircase up to here. Okay, so this is your staircase. Now take one more line from here up to here and offset this 0.12, 0.1 offset. Now select this line, erase it, and from here this point you can extend this line to here. Here double enter just to trim the extra line. Okay, and here also you can extend it. Okay, this is okay. So this is your staircase. Now what you will do, simply select and erase this. So this is your staircase. Now here double enter, trim this one. Okay, you can trim this also inside wall. Okay, and you can trim also this one. Okay, this is your staircase is now ready. So next is we have to draw this foundation. So for the foundation you can see here you can see DLI, you just check this the width. So from here to here the width is 0.34. Okay, so what you will do, you have to draw this 0.60 and 0.34. Just check this from here to here, 330. With 330 and 600 mm. So what you will do, simply take another, select another color. So I am going to take this. Now simply type REC rectangle and the 0.33 and height will be 0.6. Okay, now next this one. So this your height you can see here 0.9 and PCC is 0.15. so simply subtract this 0.9 minus 0.15, 0.75, and width is 0.45. So again you have to make rectangle REC 0.45 width, length, and width will be 0.75. Okay, now we have to move this one, type M, enter. From this center you can place it here. Okay, and the next your this PCC will be 1.50 mm, 150, that means 0.15, and width you can check it from here, this point to this point, 0.9. Again you have to type REC rectangle 0.9 width and height will be 0.15. Move. Use move command, select this one from the center. You can place it here. So this is your foundation. Okay. Now you can place it here. What you will do, simply type M move command. You can select this and from this point you can place it here. Okay. And next is simply copy this, type CO and you can copy this like this, and from this corner up to here. This is the second one, and the third one is at the center point. Okay, so center point, because there is no wall, so what we will do, we have to place it one between this center of this line. So what we will do, simply copy this, just check the center line. So take L, control right click, then meet between 2 points. Okay, so from this point and this point, this is your center. So now we have to copy this, type CO, copy from this center and place it here. Now we have to select this line and erase it. So this is your foundation. Okay, now we have to show the thickness for this tile. So thickness will be, you can simply check this thickness from here to here, 0.03, and here is 0.06. So simply offset this, use offset command, 0.03. Show the tiles thickness here. Okay, this is your tiles. This is your tiles. Okay, and this is your now we have to draw this sunk. Sunk is nothing but this is used for the toilet WC pipe, this sewage and drainage pipes. So drainage and water, waste pipe and soil pipe will passing through this sunk. So you can see this is the sunk height is 0.3 and this side is, so you can check from here 0.3, and so what you will do, simply offset here 0.3 down, again offset 0.12. So this is your sunk. The thickness you have to show here, you can see this is the thickness of this floor slab. Okay, so this slab is also visible. So what you will do, you have to show this thickness as well. So 0.12 from here. Next we have to meet, simply join this line, TR double enter, erase this, you can erase this line as well. So this is your sunk, TR double enter, you can erase this line. So this is your thickness of the floor slab. Okay, this will be up to here. Now you can trim this. TR double enter, trim this line and match this line. Match this one. Okay. So this is your thickness of the slab. Okay, and the shade is also shown. You have to offset this 0.12. Here is to trim this one. Okay, so this is your shank. So in the next tutorials we have to see, we have to show these windows tiles. Okay, and then we have to do the hatching. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.